Child support is an important financial consideration in any divorce. It is a concern for both the parent paying and the parent receiving child support payments. So let's talk about some of the basics of child support, how it is decided, how it can be used, and the consequences for not paying court-ordered child support. Child support is generally calculated based on the total pre-tax income of both parents, or, if under or unemployed, the minimum wage. Other factors such as parenting time, custody, daycare expenses, and special needs of the children will be considered when coming up with the exact amount. It is not always the mother of the children who will be the parent receiving child support. Support is calculated based on how the custody is split and the income of both parents. A lawyer will be able to tell you if your support amount is fair. Child support will last for the length of time ordered by the court. In general, it is paid until the child reaches the age of 18 or age 21 if they are a full-time student with above a C average. Aside from having a duty to provide proper care for the child, the parent who receives child support does not necessarily have to spend child support money directly on the child unless otherwise ordered by the court. Falling behind in court-ordered child support payments is a serious offense, and legal ramifications may be in store, such as losing your driver's license, fines, or even imprisonment. Child support is not always a one-time determination. If custody or parenting time changes, if there is a loss of income, or if it has been more than 3 years since your last child support determination, you may be able to have the amount of child support changed. It's best to seek legal counsel when child support commitments are discussed and arranged. Call the number on this page or email today for more information. Thank you for watching.